Alright folks, so here's the skid steer. It's a John Deere 333G. It's got the so today I'm gonna do a walk around on this skid loader. Show y'all the things it has. I had a video that I had yesterday, but it turned out crap, so I'm redoing it. So it's got a tree puller on it. Let's see what the brand is. It is a Ease Puller XL Pro. That's what the brand is. It's been a really good skid steer. It's a little bit better than. It's got a little bit more horsepower than that. It's a bigger frame than that 323E that we used to have. Yeah, more diesel. I'm not sure what the horsepower rating is. I'd look it up, but I think it's 74 horse. I think it's 74 horse machine, which is more horsepower than the 5065E. My 5065E right there. So, yeah. A really good skid steer. G series do have depth. One of my mom's friends, or her friend, my mom's friend's husband has a 318G. It's a smaller frame and less horsepower. And I'm not sure if it has depth. It might have depth because G series, a lot of G series have depth. That stands for diesel exhaust fluid, as you can see right there. And then you screwed it, and then you pour your def inside of there. That's where that nasty def fluid goes. Has a def filter, but I think it has a def filter. Backup camera, can't live without one. Show y'all the engine. There's the engine. Again, 74 horsepower, yen more. There's the engine oil dipstick. That is for engine oil. Take the cap off, dumping your fuel in. Then you have your fuel tank right here. There's the exhaust. Comes up to the chrome. It is a chrome exhaust, which is good. I love chrome. The 323E had a black exhaust tip, so close it. It's a 2020 model. Got 3 hydraulics for the tree puller. And then we use all 3 of them to run this. See what this. Not sure what the brand is and can't read that. It's a Vinner, I think. Vinner 72 cutter. I think that's what the number is. This has been a really good skid steer. Never had many problems with it. Also has a horn. Anyways, and also, one thing I forgot to show y'all is that it has a backup alarm right there. LED light. 323E did not have a backup alarm. It's got tracks on it, bigger tracks. Anyways, we'll hop up inside the cab. Bigger cab. Snaps. Now, alright, so taking a look inside the cab. This thing can be a bit of a pain to get in if you have bad legs or you have a bad back. Well, anyways, let's get on to it. Now, before you're driving the skid steer, the rearview mirror, you need to put on your seatbelt, that orange seatbelt. 323E, not a black seatbelt. So, your seatbelt buckle. Kind of hard to do this one hand on the camera. And then you have this lap bar. And this lap bar is to keep you locked in when you're operating the skid steer. This seat, it is an adjustable seat. You can see this lever that you pull out. You pull this out, you can adjust the seat if you're tall or if you're short. If you're short or if you're tall like me, I like to have. Usually we have it cranked all the way back because we're a bunch of tall freaks, and yes, I am a tall person. Down here, you can see the footrest right there. I'm not sure what this is. I think that's part of the mat. And then you have your foot throttle right there. And over here's the screen where the backup camera pops up. We got our fuel gauge, engine temperature. You also have your menu that you can cycle through. Back, next, def tank. This be the RPMs. I think that's oil temperature, job, battery voltage, and it has 303.3 hours on it. Also has a radio. Can't live without one, and the 323E did not have a radio. And it also has auxiliary input. And you got your air vents right there. And then up top, you got your heat and air conditioning controls. This is for the temperature. I'm gonna put it in cold because we live in Texas, and this will be your fan speed. And then AC on and off. Not sure what that is. This is for the reversing fan, on, off, or auto. And if you push and hold it, that's for the exhaust cleaner, I think. Accessory, don't know what that is. Over here we got the lights. 2 settings. First position turns on the back lights, and the last position turns on the front lights and all the lights. This is for the quick attach for unhooking your attachments. Here you have the buttons. It has push button start. You can see the start button. Stop means turn off the engine. I think this has something to do with the quick attach. Parking brake. Yeah, I think this has to do with bucket positioning. This will make the loader float, I think. I'm not sure what the 7 and 8 do. But yeah, I don't know what I don't know a lot of all these buttons. So you can see it's got 4 air vents. You can see there is there's one right there and one right here up front. It's got opening windows. You see, I like to do this a lot of times. Now the back one, sometimes it can be a little pain to get closed. Oh yeah, got a light. Got a cup holder down there. On the joysticks, this controls the direction. So you pull back, you go backwards. Push forward, you go forward. If you push it out, it's going left. And if you pull it in, it's going to go right. So yeah, left, right. And then we have buttons for hydraulics. Close the door so you can hear me. And then you have the horn. And then trigger right here. I had to close it because of yeah, it is a very loud horn. It's right up there. Ugh. Dang, it hurts my ears. And then hit the joystick. This is for the loader. So you pull it back, raises, push it forward, it goes forward. Lowers it, excuse me. Pushing it out is throwing the bucket out, and then lowering it in is throwing your bucket in. Or whatever attachment you have on the front of it. And then you got this toggle. And now I think this is for shifting speeds, so you upshift by pushing forward. And then you downshift by pulling back. You can see tortoise is slow, rabbit is fast. One thing I forgot to cover is the hand throttle. again, towards the slow, rapid is fast. So you got a throttle down there for temporary, and then you got a hand throttle where you can set it if you're sitting in the cab for 2 hours with the air conditioning on. Back here, this is for windshield washer fluid tank. Very nice skid steer. And then you got the there. I'm not sure what that red button does. What that little thing does. But let me screw it back. Hard to do this one hand on the camera. There we go. Screw it back in. And got different buttons for the hydraulics. And then trigger right here again. And you got buttons right here for the screen. Right there, you can see. And whenever you turn power on, the John Deere logo will pop up and the back of the camera will turn on. Yeah, I think that's just about it. Skid steer. Oh, one more thing I forgot to cover. This controls the windshield wiper. That's on, and if you push and hold it, that is the spray. Really not sure what these numbers do. They're just there for some reason. Yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Give a big whoa! That's not supposed to happen. You stay up there, bro. Stay up there. What's the deal? Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so that way you'll be notified when a new video comes up. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care, everybody. Alright, guys, so one thing that I forgot to show y'all was the owner's manual. This is for 333G and 331G. Again, we have a 333G, and you can see the off-road manual. It does not say what year it is, but I do know. But it is a 2020, but it does not say that, because Pat told us that it was a 2020 when he bought it to us. Brought it to us from our local John Deere dealership at Ag Pro. And if you just saw it, you just saw the Ag Pro sticker on it. Well, anyways, take care, guys.